Hey crew, I've got the key to this 22 Alpina B8 Gran Coupe. We are going to take it out for a drive, but first let's check out how it looks on the inside and outside. Few things to distinguish the Alpina from the 8 Series Gran Coupe. You've got an updated lower fascia with a little more going on. You've got Alpina spelled out down low. This exclusive Alpina Green Metallic color is fantastic. Look at that metallic flake. It shines so well. You've got BMW's laser light technology as standard with those blue accents that happen to go very well with the blue painted brake calipers of the Alpina model. Seen from within, these 21-inch, 20-spoke alloy wheels. I love these designs. Stepping back to look at the profile and the gentle slope of that roofline down into the Alpina exclusive trunk lip spoiler. Further down low, we've got Alpina spelled out, and then quad oval chrome exhaust ports. This car is just stunning. I love this color. I love those wheels. Let's look at that interior. Moving from the back to the front, this interior in cognac colored full merino leather looks awesome with the green exterior. Great combo. You've got gray contrast stitching, B8 tread plates, sunshades for the rear windows, an optional Bowers & Wilkins 16-speaker sound system. There's also a sunshade for that back window. Stepping in, see, I've got plenty of knee room back here. The foot pockets are kind of small and my head only just barely clears the roof, but it's wrapped in Alcantara. You've got your own sunroof back here, black and silver ashwood trim, 2 USB-C ports, seat heating, and quad zone climate control. You're all set back here. Not to mention soft closed doors. Bam. Moving to the front, the seats are now heated and ventilated with these power adjustable side bolsters. Alpina is on the front tread plates. There's cognac leather trim around the floor mats with Alpina crests. Moving inside, one of the first things I noticed is the blue contrast stitching inside the top part of the wheel and green contrast stitching on the bottom. It's a heated leather wrapped wheel, feels fantastic. The Alpina skin on the digital instrument cluster with the blue graphics. That same silver and black ashwood trim. More Alpina plaques for the center. Just a gorgeous cabin. Let's take it for a drive. Let's fire it up. All right, so from within the car, you can't really tell that the B8 has a unique exhaust system from the M850i and the M8 Gran Coupe competition, but maybe we'll hear that more. First of all, if we were outside the car, but also while we're on our drive. We're gonna start things off in comfort drive mode, and we'll do comfort plus, because why would you just do comfort standard if you have the option maximum comfort, please? And the Alpina really leans more into the comfort than its contrast, the M8 Gran Coupe competition, and we'll see how that feels out on the road. Turning radius test to kick things off, and we'll bring up the surround view camera system with the front-facing camera. That's a good turning radius. I mean, hard to tell on this blank canvas of a road, but from the feel, the turnaround was quick. And what about the horn sound? So important. Kinda dinky? Kinda dinky. For such a big, elegant car, the horn is underwhelming. Oh, look. Something of a cobblestone road, a perfect test for the suspension. And you know what? Can't feel much of anything. So this car gets the M adaptive dampers from the M8 Gran Coupe competition, but they are retuned for comfort more than anything else. We're gonna go to Little Box Canyon, let the navigation system take us there.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
I will, thank you. Look, the new M240i. Why is that here? Well, because we're at BMW's Test Fest media event in the Palm Desert.
Turn left onto 62nd Avenue.
Gosh, his ride quality is good. There's a rougher section too.
Turn left onto 62nd Avenue.
And I mean, you get jostled a little bit, but my goodness. It's so glassy.
The expected drive time is 23 minutes.
Thank you, navigation system. I needed that. And even in comfort mode, the throttle response is not dead. There is no kill the throttle response drive mode in this vehicle. There's no Eco Plus or what have you. So there's comfort, and it doesn't kill the throttle response. Rather, it tunes the response to be linear and smooth. Watch what's going to happen on my left-hand side, where Camry is going to go in the median to pass me when I'm doing the speed limit. What are you doing? And I have no ego, because I happen to be driving a $150,000 coupe design sedan. The cabin insulation is fantastic too. You've got the acoustic laminate on the glass, you've got excellent sound deadening, and even in comfort mode, the feedback through the wheel is well dialed, such that I have good sensitivity here. It's not floaty, it tracks straight, doesn't require a lot of effort to do that. Add to that these super comfortable seats. This would make a killer road trip product. You and 3 other passengers, not 4. How about a 0 to 60 test? We're going to go into Sport Plus drive mode, and then we'll move the gear selector over to Manual/Sport. Hit the traction control button once to put us in dynamic traction control. Hold your foot hard on the brake, pin the throttle, launch control active, let go. Oh, good Lord. What in the name? I did not see that coming. I'm actually speechless here. That was one of the hardest launches I've ever done in a car. Maybe it was because I wasn't expecting, but jeez. Oh, I want to do it again. All right, so Alpina says 0 to 60 is 3.3 seconds. If that was any more than that, then please reset the calibration in my brain, because that felt absolutely low 3 seconds. Fudge. That was quick. No hesitation, just gone. And these tires deserve some credit. The Michelin rubber on it are fantastic tires. Oh good, I have a chance to do it again. And after that, I promise I'll talk about the engine, okay? Okay, foot hard on the brake, launch control active. Oh. Did the nose lift off the ground? Or was that just me? It freaking wheelied. What is wrong here? Wow. All right, so I promised to talk about the engine. Here we go. 4.4 liter twin turbo V8, same motor. Okay, same motor you're gonna find in the M8 Gran Coupe competition, and it makes almost the same power. 612 horsepower. Oh, it feels every bit of it, or frankly underrated, I don't know. 612 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque. That's just 5 down from the competition model, and it's, I can't do the math, but the M850i Gran Coupe makes only 523 as a benchmark. These are POV cameras, you can't see my facial expressions, but I'm dumbfounded. Right now, I am dumbfounded by how fast this car is. Jeez. Top speed, 201 miles per hour. 201 miles per hour. This is a ridiculous vehicle. And we're right, I mean, I never got out of, okay, I did go to sport mode. I'm in sport mode right now. The ride quality is still excellent. Okay, I keep just sort of freaking out for a second, I'm sorry. But the Alpina, from what I've experienced so far, is absolutely the best of both worlds. From a performance standpoint, I can't think of many cars that are going to be quicker to 60 than this. And from a luxury standpoint, the cabin noise, the ride quality, the seat comfort, come on. Here's a good straight road opportunity for us to test out the gearbox. Of course, the paddles are not paddles, they're buttons on the back of the wheel, which is super weird. Takes a while to get used to, but the downshifts are quick. It legitimately gets squirrely. It like fourth gear. That is how much power is being delivered through the tires to the road surface. It's getting squirrely at these speeds. Freaking ridiculous. BMWs just own the road. Oh, that was an Alpina B8 right there, actually. But BMWs just own the road around here today. That does not get old, my friends. What a transmission, too. This 8-speed is rifle fast through these gears. Happy day, oh happy day, I'm happy in the Alpina B8. Now for the seeming final piece of the Alpina B8's performance, the handling. So we've got some gravel on these roads, don't want to float out too far right. Hard on these brakes here, gosh they're good. Bite is immediate, pedal stays strong. And the throttle out of the corner is unreal. You can feel the weight of the car in the corners, but that active M differential gets the power down. Holy criminy, the acceleration. Actually have to be careful because between corners, it's getting to ludicrous speeds. I can trust these brakes to do a great job scrubbing the speed. I can trust the immediate turn in and the stability in the corners, but it's still not a featherweight car. So you gotta be careful. Transmission just keeps you in the right gear. I don't even need to play with manual mode here. And these aren't ultra tight corners, but these are perfect for this vehicle. Someone out there grabbing some shots of the M240i. Anything tighter or more technical, you're going to want something like that car. But the long sweepers, this car absolutely inhales. Just as I said, with the speeds you can build, keep your eyes up. Oh, I want to jump it. I want to jump it. I like the soundtrack. You know, I questioned right when I started up the car, is it going to make a distinct noise? And it does. Hard on these brakes here. Tucks in neatly. Keep consistent power to get the weight staying on the rear, not floating. What a marvel. There are better canyon carvers, but those cars can't do what the Alpina does in all the other environments. The comfort, the straight line speed, the power, the velocity, the look, the comforts. The Alpina B8 wraps all of those up beautifully, to the point that I think it's worth the $9,000 more than the M8 Gran Coupe competition. $140,000 is a chunk of change. $148,000 is tested with the Bowers and Wilkins sound system and the other options. But I think it's worth the price. I would choose this over that M8 Gran Coupe competition for the on-road daily driving pleasure and the exclusive look inside and out. You're not giving up anything in terms of straight line speed, and only a hair in terms of lateral capability. So sold on this M8, on this B8, whatever. Guys, I hope you enjoyed these POV drive impressions. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't get stuck behind a tractor. And I'll see you guys again next time.